Hi, this is Mary Ellen Green, and today I'm going to show you a little bit about Pinterest. So, Pinterest is really cool for getting ideas. You can tell Pinterest about some things you like, and then the Explore page will kind of be based around things you're interested in. It's really, really good for getting recipes. So, let's see, you can see I've looked up a lot of recipes before. And you can just explore so many things. And what's cool about Pinterest, say I click on a recipe, you can click the little pin and pin it to your page. And you can also create a board. So, recipes. And then create. I guess I already have a recipe. Oatmeal. So now, anytime I save a different oatmeal recipe, I can pin it to my oatmeal board, which is really cool. You can look at messages here of people inviting you to join their boards. So my aunt invited me to join hers. I'm going to accept. And also it shows you notifications on the left. So I hope this was helpful if you want to explore Pinterest in the future. Thank you.